Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are having revision of chapter 5, that is multiplication. So students, in this chapter we will see how to multiply the numbers and what is the multiplication. So the multiplication is the product of two numbers. What is the multiplication? Multiplication is the product of two numbers. So here we have two numbers, the first is 2 and the next is 3. If we multiply these two numbers, so 2 3s are 6 and the result of multiplication will be product. So the result of multiplication is called the product and the first number, जिस नंबर को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो that will be multiplicand और जिस नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो दिस नंबर विल बी multiplier. Understood students? So when you multiply two numbers and you get the answer will be product of these two numbers. Understood? So students, open page number 55 in your book. Page number 55. Now we'll discuss about properties of multiplication. Now we'll see properties of multiplication. So students, first we'll see the first property. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order, their product will remain the same. Now I am taking two numbers, that is 3 and 4. So students, as you know, 3 4s are 12. This is the product of these two numbers, and if I take 4 first and then the next I am taking 3. मैंने इनका सीक्वेंस चेंज कर दिया, then again 4 3s are, the product will be 12 again. It means we can say if we change the sequence of the number, if two numbers we are multiplying, we can multiply the numbers in any order, their product will remain the same. So this is the first property students. Now we'll see the next one. That is given on page number 56. Second property. Two numbers, we have seen two numbers, now we'll take three numbers. Three numbers can be grouped in any order and then multiplied. So students, now we are taking three numbers. The first I am taking 2, then 3 and then 4. These are three numbers, and if we multiply these three numbers, just look here students, 2 into 3 into 4. So first I am taking 2 and 3. मैंने पहले क्या किया, 2 and 3 को ले लिया. First I will multiply these two numbers, then the product will be 2 3s are 6. Then next I will multiply this 6 by 4 and 6 4s are will be 24. Understood? Now just see here. Now I am taking first 3 and 4. What am I doing? Now I am multiplying these numbers 3 and 4. अभी मैंने 2 को छोड़ दिया. Now 3 4s are 12 and now I will multiply this 12 by this 2 and this will be 2 into 12. 12 2s are 24. So what we have seen here? Three numbers we can take and three numbers can be grouped in any order. किसी भी order में हम इसे group कर सकते हैं and we can multiply these three numbers in any order. Understood students? पहले हम इन दो numbers को multiply करके last number से multiply कर सकते हैं, और what we can do, हम last two numbers को multiply करके then इसे first number से multiply कर सकते हैं. The product will always same. Understood? Now just see the third property. If we multiply any number by 0, third property is we are multiplying any number by 0. The product will be always 0. किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, the product will be always 0. आंसर हमेशा क्या आ जाएगा? 0. If you will do 15, you are doing 0 into 15. The answer will be 0. Is it clear students? So this is the third property. If you multiply any number by 0, the result will be 0. Now we'll see the next property. Fourth one, if we multiply any number by 1, किसी भी नंबर को हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, the result will be the number itself. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? The number itself. Same number will come. I am doing 15 into 1. So 15 ones are, answer is 15, the number itself. It means if you multiply any number by 1, the result will be always the number itself. Is it clear, students? Now we'll see the last property, fifth property. That is given on page number 56, fifth property. Just look here. The product of a number and a sum is equal to the sum of the individual products. Just look here. First number I am taking 5 and the next I am taking 2 plus 3. First number is 5 and then the next number is given in addition, 2 plus 3. Is it clear? So what we can do? If we first add these two numbers, पहले हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Two numbers को add कर रहे हैं. The result will be 2 plus 3, that is 5, and 5 5s are 25. Is it clear, students? Now just see here, if I do 5 into 2, what am I doing? I am multiplying this 5 by 2, then I have to do 5 into 3. पहले मैं इस 5 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी, then इस 5 को मैं इस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी. Just see here, 5 2s are, first I am doing 5 into 2, sign of addition, then 5 into 3. So students, just look here, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15, and again the answer will be 10 plus 15 is 25. The result is same. Is it clear, students? This is the fifth property. आप किसी भी नंबर को इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो. First you can do the addition. आप पहले उनका सम फाइंड कर सकते हो, then you can find the product of these two numbers, और आप उनको इंडिविजुअली मल्टीप्लाई करके उनका एडिशन फाइंड कर सकते हो. This is the fifth property. Is it clear? Now we'll see the next topic, students, and the next topic is multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. That is given on page number 56. On page number 56, multiplication by 10. So we are taking a number, the number is 56. What is the number? The number is 56 and I am multiplying this number by 10. इस number को मैं किससे multiply कर रही हूँ? 10 से. So in this situation you have to observe the number of 0 and we have only one 0 here. So in answer we have to put a 0. क्या करोगे? We see one 0, so you have to put single 0 in answer also. And the number will come as it is because 56 ones are 56. किसी भी नंबर को आप 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, the result will be the number itself. It means you have to put the number of 0 that is given here. जो भी number of 0 आपको given है, you have to put there and you have to write the number as it is. That is 56. Now we take one more question. 23 into 10. Again, as I have told you, you have to observe the 0. There is only one 0, so one 0 will come here and the number will come as it is. That is 23. So the answer is 230. In this way, you can multiply any number by 10. Now just see the next one, that is multiplication by 100. Again I am taking a number that is 22 and I am multiplying this 22 by 100. As I have told you, you have to observe the 0 here. We see 2 zeros, so you have to put 2 zeros, students, and the 22 will come as it is because we are doing 22 into 1. And किसी भी number को आप 1 से multiply करोगे, the number will come as it is, the answer will come the number itself. Answer क्या आ जाएगा? वही number आ जाएगा. So here the multiplication of 22 and 100 is 2 2200. Is it clear, students? Now see the next number. Again we have 20, so we'll put 20 here, and 13 ones are 13. So the answer is 1300. Is it clear? Now we'll see multiplication by 1000. Again we take a number 55 and we are doing 55 multiplied by 1000. So here we see 1, 2, 3, 30. So what we have to do? We have to put 30 here, because in multiplier we see 30. So we put 30, and again 55 into 1 will be 55 as it is. And here the answer is, the product is 55,000. Is it clear? So now we'll see the next topic, students. Students, open page number 57, exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3 on page number 57, we are taking question number 1, D part, and the D part is 231 into 100. As I have told you, students, you have to observe the zero. जब भी आप multiply कर रहे हो by 10, by 100 and by 1000, you have to observe these zeros. We see 20, so we'll put 20 in product, and 231 is given in the question. So 231 will come here, and the answer will be 23,100. Is it clear, students? The answer is 23,100. Now we'll see the next question, students, on page number 58, question number 2. Page number 58, question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks, and we are observing F part. F part of this question, 82 multiplied by 3000. So just look here. Again you have to observe the 0, 1, 2, 3. So you will put 1, 2, 3, 30 here, and you have to multiply this 82 by 3 only. किससे multiply करोगे 82 को? 3 से. So 3 2s are 6 here, and 3 8s are 24, and the answer will be 2,46,000. Is it clear? What is the answer? The answer is 2,46,000. So students, now we'll see the next topic. And the next topic is multiplication. We are observing exercise 5.4. 5.4, question number 1, G part. In this question we have to find the product and will multiply by a single digit number. We are observing G part, students. The first number is 8,231, and we have to multiply this number by 3. This is a one digit number. So first you have to write this number given in the question, that is 8,231, and then you have to write 3 here, and now you will start multiplying these numbers from this side. It means from ones. 3 ones are 3. Then you have to multiply this digit by tens. 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9, and 3 twos are 6. Then 3 into 8, that will be 3 8s are 24. And students, the product will be 24,693. This is the product of these two numbers. Is it clear, students? So in this way you can multiply and solve the answer. Now just see the next topic. And the next topic is multiplication by a 2-digit number. अब हम multiply करेंगे by 2-digit number. Multiplication by 2-digit number. So students, we are taking exercise 5.5. Question number J. J part we are taking, that is 453 multiplied by 62. Look at the first number, students. This is 3-digit number and this is 2-digit number, and we are doing multiplication by 2-digit number. Is it clear? So first of all we have to write the first number, that is 453. Then we'll write the next number, that is 62. Now we have to observe this number that is given on ones place 2. इस 2 को पहले आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 से, then 2 will multiplied by 5, then 2 will multiplied by 4. 2 3s are 6 will come here. Is it clear? Then 2 5s are 10, 0 will come here, 1 carry over, and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Is it clear? पहले हमने इस 2 को इन 3 डिजिट से क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया. Now we'll observe this next digit, that is 6, and यहाँ पर आप एक क्रॉस साइन पुट कर दोगे और now you will start multiplying this number by ones, then tens, then hundreds. So 6 3s are 18, 8 will come here only, okay, and 1 carry over. Now 6 5s are 30 and 30 plus 1 will be 31, so 1 will come here and 3 carry over, and 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 will be 27. Now you have to add these numbers. So 6 into cross, it means you can say 0 here. 6 plus 0 will be 6, 8 plus 0 8, 9 plus 1 10, carry over 1, 7 plus 1 8, and 2 as it is. So the product of these two numbers will be 28,086. Is it clear, students? So students, like this you can multiply by 2-digit number, or in this way you can multiply by 3-digit number also. आप कोई 3-digit number लेकर भी multiply कर सकते हो in this way only. Is it clear, students? So students, now we'll see the next topic, and the topic is estimating product of two numbers, that is given on page number 62. On page number 62, the topic is estimating product of two numbers. So students, look at the first question of exercise 5.7. For this topic only, we are observing exercise 5.7, question number 1, G part. In this question we have two numbers, first is 65 and the next is 99. In this question what we have to do, estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. It means first we have to find the round off to the nearest 10. पहले 65 को nearest 10 round off करेंगे, then 99 को भी nearest 10 हम क्या करेंगे, round off. So we are doing to the nearest 10, and we see 1 0 in 10, so we have to observe the last digit as I have told you in chapter 1, and we see 5 here. It means we have to increase this number, and this number will become 0 and it will be 7. तो 65 round off होके क्या बन गया, 70. Is it clear? Now again we have to observe the last digit, that is 9, and this is more than 5. 5 से बड़ा है. Again we have to increase this number and this number will become 0. ये 9 तो क्या बन जाएगा, 0, and 9 plus 1 will be 10. It means 99 round off होके क्या बन गया, 100. Now we see the new numbers, that is 70 and 100, and we have to find the product of these two numbers. So students, as I have told you, if you see the zeros here, you have to count the number of 0 and 1, 2, 3. We see 3 0, so we'll put 1, 2, 3, 3 0 here. Then 7 into 1, that will be 7 only, and the answer is 7,000. What is the answer? The answer is 7,000. Is it clear, students? So students, in this way you can find the product. First you can do round off the numbers and then you can simplify them, you can find the multiplication of these numbers. Now we'll see the next topic, students, that is word problems. The next topic is word problems. So students, open page number 66, exercise 5.9, and we are taking a question, that is question number 7. 63 bags are filled with coins. There are 352 coins in each bag. How many coins are there in all? एक बैग में कितने कॉइन्स हैं हमारे पास? We have 352 coins in one bag. एक बैग में 352 कॉइन्स हैं and we have to find for 63 bags. हमें कॉइन्स कितने बैग्स के लिए फाइंड करना है? For 63 bags. It means the number of coins given for one bag and we are finding for more than one. जब भी आपको एक का गिवन है और आप एक से ज़्यादा के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हो, you have to do the multiplication. Is it clear? So in this question we have to do the multiplication here. So look here students, coins in one bag is equals to 352 and we have to find for 63 bags. So coins in 63 bags will be 352 multiplied by 63. 352 and we are multiplying it by 63. So as I have told you, first you will multiply by this digit 3 into 2, then you will do 3, 5, then you will do 3 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 here, carry over 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Is it clear? Now we'll multiply by this digit, that is 6, 6 2s are 12, 2 will come here, carry over 1. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31, 1 will come here and 3, carry over. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 will be 21. Now we have to find the addition of these two numbers. 6 plus 0 will be 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 as it is. So students, the answer is 22,176. It means therefore there are 22,176 coins in 63 bags. Is it clear students? Coins was given for one bag. एक बैग के लिए हमें coins given थे, that was 352 and the coins in 63 bags we have to find, वो हमें find करना पड़ेगा, that will be 352 into 63 and the answer is 22,176. So in this way you can solve the word problem students. I hope you understood this chapter well. Thank you.